Question number 13a. These are the first four terms of the sequence. 1, 3, 9, 27. Find the next term of the sequence. So if we see the sequence carefully, we know that 1 times 3, so I'll get 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So actually this is the sequence of is multiplying by 3 to get the next term. So for the next term, we just multiply 27 by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. And plus 2, this is 81. So 81 is the next term. Part B. These are the first 5 terms of a different sequence: 35, 31, 27, 23, 19. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence. So if you see the sequence, the difference of 35 and 31 is 4. So if I subtract 31 from 35, I'll get minus 4. So if I subtract 27 from 31, so this is minus 4. So likewise, we can find out the common difference. This is minus 4. So A is equal to 35 and D is equal to minus 4. So we just plug in the values in the formula for the nth term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Just plug in the values. 35 plus n minus 1. Common difference is minus 4. I am going to expand this expression. So this is minus 4n plus 4. So it will be 35 minus 4n plus 4. So final answer is 39 minus 4n. So this is the general term. Question number 14. Write 325 as a product of its prime factors. So we will use the ladder method. $325 is divisible by 5. So 5 times 6 is 30 and 25. I'll get by 5 times 5. So 5 times 13 is 65. 13 times 1 is 13. So answer is 5 times 13. Part B. P is equal to x raised n y square and Q is equal to x raised n minus 1 y raised 4, where x and y are prime. Find the highest common factor HCF of P and Q. Give your answer in terms of x, y and n. So P is equal to x raised n y square and Q is equal to x raised n minus 1 y 4. So we know that HCF is the least power of the variable or any number. So if we see carefully, x raised n minus 1 is least power of x raised n and y raised 4. Y raised 2 is smaller than the y raised 4. So x raised n minus 1 is the smaller number and y raised 2 is the smallest or least power. So the answer of the HCF is x raised n minus 1 y square. Question number 21. Solve 5x over x minus 3 is equal to x plus 4. So first of all, I will cross multiply. So I will get 5x is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 4. So we will expand and equation will be x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. I'll expand it further. So equation is 5x is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. We will solve the like terms. So this is x squared plus x minus 12. We'll shoot 5x also. So equation is 0 is equal to x squared plus x minus 5x minus 12 is equal minus 12. So we'll solve the like terms. So it is x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Now we will make the factors. So for 12, 6 and 2 is the suitable factor. So equation is x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 equals to 0. From first half, I can take x as a common, so it will be x into x minus 6. And I can take 2 as a common from the second half, so it is 2 into x minus 6. So the equation is x plus 2 and x minus 6 equals to 0. So from first vector, x plus 2 is equal to 0, I'll get the value of x is equal to minus 2. And from the second factor, x minus 6 is equal to 0, and I'll get the value of x, that is 6. So the values are minus 2 and 6. Question number 22. Y is directly proportional to w square. X is inversely proportional to w. When w is 10, y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 0.4. Find y in terms of x. Give your answer in its simplest form. So according to the first condition, y is directly proportional to w square. So the equation is y is equal to kw square, and this is equation 1. From the second condition, x is inversely proportional to w, and the equation is x is equal to c over w. We will find out the value of w from here, and this will be w is equal to c over x. So we'll put the value of w in equation 1. So the first equation is y is equal to k into c over x whole square. So if we apply the square, it will be kc square over x square. So this is equation 2, and we just plug in the values of y and x. Value of y is 5 and value of x is equal to 0.4. So it is 0.4 square. So the cross multiply, it will be 5 multiplied by 0.4 square is equal to kc square, and after multiplying, I'll get 0.8. This is equal to kc square. So this is, I can put this in equation 2. So y is equal to 0.8 over x square. So this is the answer of y in terms of x. 0.8